Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Prosecution claims prima facie evidence against Churchill of accepting bribe in JICA Berger deal. Special court grants police custody to Churchill till Monday. Churchill gets no sympathy from legislators. Law will take its own course. MLAs react to Churchill's arrest. Berger Hawala agent names Valanka Alemao. Berger former country head points at Vijay Sardesai. Vijay and Valanka's name surfaces in JICA scam. CM urges mine owners to start mining despite of low profit margin, assures to regulate minor minerals policy. And government declares monetary reward for medal winners at Special Olympics World Games. House congratulates Goan special children. Now the news in detail. Prosecution claims prima facie evidence against Churchill of accepting bribe in the JICA Berger deal. Special court granted police custody to Churchill till Monday. His bail application will be heard on Monday. Churchill claims that he is facing serious health issues as he went through a knee replacement recently. However, crime branch has given details of bribe paid to Digambar and Churchill along with the installment and location details.
Ex-employee of Louis Berger, Ram Prasad, states he witnessed 4 bribe transactions during 2009 to 2010. First installment of 50 to 60 lakhs rupees and second installment of 15 lakh rupees delivered to then PWD Minister Churchill Alemao. Bribe money delivered to Churchill at his Varka residence. More than 1 crore rupees was delivered to then CM Digambar Kamath in 2 installments. 2 installments of 50 to 60 lakh rupees delivered to then CM Digambar Kamath.
Churchill, you think that's a valid politics? I not rob anything. Did I rob something to you? What controversy? It is a political controversy. If I not done anything, why I want to go? I am a very innocent, my friend. Where are you expecting it? I am very innocent. Nobody else is doing it. No more comments, please.
Prosecution has asked for 12 days remand. After considering the material on record, the court has granted 4 days remand. Matter will come up for they have filed a bail application which is listed for hearing on Monday, 10th of August.
There was some issue regarding his health also that defense raised. What was exactly?
Only he had some problems regarding the facilities which are provided in the that will be sorted out by the police officials.
Former PWD Minister Churchill spent several hours at police headquarters lockup after he was arrested late night on Wednesday. He was quizzed till late hours on Wednesday night and then shifted to the lockup at the police headquarters after a medical checkup.
I want to say that there was no need to do this when he was cooperating so well. Elections are coming closer and it's only political mileage. My father has been cooperating with the investigation and he will do so.
When questioned, Chief Minister refuted the claims, ruling out any political vendetta. He said police are doing their job.
Politically interference किसी ने allegation
कोणे किती आरोप केलो तरी म्हाका खात्री आसा गोंयची जनता म्हजेर आरोप करची ना कारण हांवें खंयच हस्तक्षेप केल्लो ना हे सगळ्यांक खबर आसा ती सुशेगादीन आपल्या पद्दतीन चल्लेली आसा.
ओके आणि चर्चिलाक अरेस्ट केलो आता दिगंबराचें नांव येता इज देर इनफ एविडन्स विथ क्रायम ब्रांच टू अरेस्ट दिगंबर?
नो आयडिया. पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट इज विल बी द आयडियल हे टू गिव द रिप्लाय टू दीस. हांव तें ठरयना खरेंच हांव ठरयना. हय हय कितें केलें की धाडटात ते काल ताका हे करता कितें म्हाका सकाळीं आयलो रिपोर्ट.
आणि यूएसाक कितें रिपोर्ट मागला हेंचे कडेन?
मागला ताणें
रिस्पॉन्स आमगे तुमचो काय सांगा.
Meanwhile, former CM Digambar Kamath has already moved an anticipatory bail plea with the local court, and the matter would be heard on Friday. The crime branch has already arrested Zyka Goa project director Anand Vachasundar and former vice president of Louis Berger Satyakam Mohanty in connection with the case. Digambar has a breather from anticipated arrest till Friday.
Seeking police remand of Churchill Lemao, crime branch informed the court that one crucial file related with Zyka bribery case was found at the residence of Churchill Lemao, and one more file is missing and which may be with the Churchill Lemao. So make that recovery and collect other evidence. Further custody of police remand is required, and the court has granted remand till Monday. With Chetan Gavas, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Seems like former Minister Churchill is getting no sympathy from his fellow legislators. Members of Legislative Assembly feel the law will take its own course. They have faith in crime branch and most feel that the investigations are in the right direction. Here are their reactions.
You see, we don't go as per the desires of people. It has got a system how to do things. There has to be a little bit of evidence to do some certain thing. Arrest kelo sodlo to अर्थ काय होणार.
So there was evidence against Churchill.
Must have been, no? Law has to take its own course, no? It's not a question of my opinion whether I like it or I don't like it. Churchill is a close friend of mine.
See, investigation is going on. So let the law take its own course.
I mean, the investigation is going on. Let the investigation take its own course. I would say I feel no one should politicize the issue. There's nothing politics about it.
पुलिसांक आपले काम करून एज अ रेजिस्ट्रेटर म्हणून आम्ही आमचे काम करतात आणि म्हाका पूर्ण खात्री आहा कायद्याचेर कायदो आपले काम करून त्या टायमार आणि त्या हेजेर बरोबर ट्रॅकान काम करतलो.
लॉ विल टेक इट्स ओन कोर्स.
एलिगेशन होते की दिस पॉलिटिकली मोटिवेटेड.
नाही आता सगळे रिलिजियस पॉलिटिशियन सगळे पॉलिटिकल सगळे वयर येतले. आय थिंक द पुलिस आर डूइंग अ गुड जॉब विथ इन्व्हेस्टिगेटिंग सो फास्ट. The only problem is whether this is going to be temporary or proper is the question.
Investigation is going on, but I think there should be a detailed investigation. We have already said that there should be a CBI probe. I have faith in the department, but I don't know whether they've got all the information and all.
Churchill arrest केला तो केसीन त्याचे नाव आहे दिसांनी येताले ताका अरेस्ट केला. He will have to defend himself.
दिगंबराचे नाव आहे.
दिगंबराचे नाव येता. दिगंबरान सांगितले हा आपले कितें तो एंटिसिपेटेड बेलाक गेला. मॅटर इज सब जुडिस. I feel that this issue is being used to see that the focus of the Legislative Assembly is diverted.
Right paper सगळे मेळ्ळो आसना प्रूफ आसना ते फायंड आउट करता.
चोरी केल्या कोणे ब्रायब केल्या तो समज जाय न्ही. आनी हांव देवाकडे मागतोच आसलो लास्ट 3 years 3.5 years ज्यो आमचे गोंयचे गोवोरमेंटान करूंक जावंक ना ते भायरसून येयले. गोंयचे गोवोरमेंटान एक्टिंग केल्या गोंयचे गोवोरमेंटाक क्रेडीट दिता बट उरलेले केशी ताका तेजेर घालच्यो म्हणून आनीक एक्ट करच्यो.
I don't know. I have not yet studied that case. What is political and what is actual thing? That will come up, no? What is there?
हांव ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी हांव म्हाज्या सरकाराचे दोशी थारायता की 3 वर्सां पयलीं सरकार येयलें तेन्ना हें केलें तें केलें म्हूण सगळे सांगतले पूण तेजेर कोणें इन्क्वायरी करूं ना. पूण भायल्या राज्यान हे इन्क्वायरी जावन जर भायल्या राज्यांतल्यान जर इन्फॉर्मेशन येयलां आनी तेजेर एक्शन घेतला जाल्यार थिंगा पॉलिटिकली मोटिवेटेड कशें आसतलें. म्हणजे USA इतले पॉलिटिक्स पावर आमच्या BJP गव्हर्मेंटान सांगलेले 3 वर्सां पयलीं ती स्कॅमां आसा ती भायर काडटली. हांव म्हज्याच सरकाराची दोशी थारायता ती स्कॅमां कित्याक काडना. म्हाका दिसता पॉलिटिकली मोटिवेटेड ती आसतली ती दामून दवरपाची.
ह्या चीफ मिनिस्टरान म्हणजे पोलीस यंत्रणेचेर कांय दबाव तंत्र कांय ना. तांकां त्या यंत्रणेचे जे कितें हातान भितर डॉक्युमेंट्स आयिल्ले आसात सुगाव लागले आसात त्या नुसार ही कारवाय जाल्ली आसा.
The local police जरी इन्व्हेस्टिगेट करता आसले there are some bipartite issues which are between nations. So if you to sort out those issues, then the case must be handed over to CBI.
Is arrested, there must have been something to it. No, there must be some evidence. So some there is an arrest.
अशें इंटरनॅशनल किंवा इंटर स्टेट सुद्दां रेमिफिकेशन आसत जाल्यार आमकां कॉपरेशन मेळना. आनी हे इंटरनॅशनल रेमिफिकेशन आसल्या कारणान हे CBIक वचप योग्य आशिल्लें.
जे कितें पळय आयज पर्यंत इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन चालू आसा त्या संदर्भान
पॉलिटिशियन्स आर सेइंग दॅट दे हॅव बीन हॅरेस्ड बाय द प्रेझेंट गव्हर्नमेंट.
म्हाका दिसना तेजें नांव गोंय सरकारान घेवन ते अमेरिकेच्यान आयिल्लें आसा.
दोश दिसता प्रूव जाता
जाल्यार पॉलिटिकली मोटिवेट अशें म्हणूंक शकना.
Now, Vijay Sardesai and Valanka Alemao's names have surfaced in JICA Berger scam. Crime Branch has recorded statement of Louis Berger Hawala agent. When former country head of Louis Berger, Satyakam Mohanty, was asked about the bungalow where the deal was struck, he showed Vijay Sardesai's bungalow at Madgaon. Hawala agent has deposed that he delivered the bribe money to Valanka Alemao. Police sources indicate that trouble may start for Vijay and Valanka.
Independent MLA of Fatorda Vijay Sardesai and Churchill Alemao's daughter Valanka Alemao are expected to fall in the clutches of Crime Branch in the Louis Berger bribery case. Prudent has learned that deposition of Louis Berger former country head Satyakam Mohanty to Crime Branch may put Vijay and Valanka in grievous trouble. Mohanty's deposition to police is as follows. Deal was struck on a bungalow near Madgaon bus stand. 2 meetings were held on this bungalow. One of the meetings was held at 9:30 at night. Money transaction was not carried out on Vijay's bungalow. Money was delivered at minister's house. Mohanty identified and confirmed Vijay's bungalow.
जे दिसा हांवें पयलींच स्टेटमेंट काडलो की लुईस बर्जर एक टेक्नो फिजिबिलिटी स्टडी मोपाक केल्या आनी ताजे खातीर मोपा एअरपोर्टूच टेंडर बंद करचो कित्याक दीस इज अ इमोरल अमेरिकन कंपनी म्हणून. त्या दिसाच रक्षा मंत्र्यान येवन मडगांवां स्टेटमेंट काडिल्लो की एक बंगल्यान हो इशू जाला म्हणून. सो द वे द इन्वेस्टिगेशन्स आर गोईंग, this don't seem to be a criminal investigation, it seems to be more of a political investigation. As of now, I have not received anything from the Goa police or from anybody in an official position. But if I do receive, because anything is possible in this government, because this government is a government that wants to silence the opposition, especially because they are doing many things which are clear indications that they have completely lost moral grounds. I am no way connected with this issue. I had no official position in PWD. Neither was I an engineer, nor was I minister or anybody. So this is all being just done so as to get an advantage for the municipal polls here in Margaon.
Valanka Alemao also stares at trouble. Crime Branch sources confirmed to Prudent. Hawala agent has confirmed that money was delivered to Valanka Alemao. Money was delivered at Varka residence of Alemaos. Valanka accepted money on behalf of Churchill. Money was transferred through Hawala. Both Vijay and Valanka may receive summons by this weekend. Right now, Crime Branch is eyeing for Digambar Kamath. Once Crime Branch deals with Digambar, they will make a move for Vijay and Valanka. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.